Welcome to the 2021 MBCEA Building of the Year Awards. We're excited to have you with us as we announce the winners of this prestigious contest. Note that each project is scored for aesthetics, interesting features, quality, complexity, and green building elements by our panel of 3 judges. First up in our awards is the Education and Recreation category. The winner of merit is Lifeguard Arena, built in Henderson, Nevada by Image Building Systems. The building manufacturer and supplier were Campana Building Consultants and NCI. This 77,970 square foot building was a fast-track project that reportedly was managed nicely and went smoothly from start to finish. Congratulations to Image Building Systems.
Hi, I'm Ryan with Image Building Systems and honored to be accepting an award from the MBCEA for Lifeguard Arena and the Vegas Golden Knights. Big thank you to Gillette Construction out of Las Vegas. I couldn't have done it without their vision and trust in us. An A-team for sure. Special congrats and thanks to our team at Image Building Systems, who despite the pandemic delivered a fantastic building from start to finish, ahead of schedule and with great quality work in the middle of summer. No less. Our team from the office staff to the field personnel are amazing, and I'm fortunate to be a part of it. It's very important, and I love what the MBCEA does. The more the MBCEA promotes good builders and quality, the more the industry will grow. So thank you to the MBCEA and congrats to the other award winners. Go PEMB!
The winner of excellence in this category is awarded to Crosslink Construction Company for the Washburn Indoor Athletic Facility erected in Topeka, Kansas. The 146,000 square foot metallic building with an eave height of 65 feet houses a football practice field with a 200-meter, 12-degree banked competition track running parallel to the field. The truss section was built on the ground and lifted in a complicated 4-crane pick. That process was somewhat challenging due to the building's 180-foot span. Congratulations to Crossland. Next is the manufacturing and warehousing category. Millstone Medical, built in Fall River, Mass. By Barnes Building and Management Group, receives the winner of merit. This 36-foot high, 56,000 square foot metallic building was unique in that Barnes incorporated 22-gauge B-deck for installation of an EPDM roof by others. To continue the energy-saving envelope, they used 4-inch metal span panels for the wall system, which were set off with accent bands in a contrasting color. Congratulations to Barnes Building. Coincidentally, the judges picked another Barnes project in this category as the winner of excellence. The SRC Medical Project in Hanover, Mass. Consists of 2 metallic buildings, seamlessly tied to a conventional frame structure. This hybrid approach is increasingly popular in metal building construction, and this provides a great example of the advantages. Congratulations again to Barnes. We now turn to the ReRoof Renovation Edition category. I'm proud to say the winner of merit goes to Hance Construction for Mile Square Roofing, and erected by Thomas Phoenix International in Mount Olive, New Jersey. Rather than tearing down an old structure to make way for a new facility, the project owner teamed up with Hance to renovate and expand an existing 17,000 square foot Butler building built in the 70s, and which had stood vacant for over 20 years, and then constructing a 10,000 square foot addition. Congratulations to my team at Hance Construction and to Thomas Phoenix. The winner of excellence in this category is Leading Technology Composites in Wichita, Kansas, submitted by Evans Building Company. It is comprised of 2 Varco Prudent building additions, one being a 52,250 square foot warehouse and the challenging 104,000 square foot addition and 16,000 square foot overbuild of their main facility. The overbuild tied into existing columns, raising the overall working height by 10 feet, and required demolition of the existing structure. The new facility also includes 4 mezzanines totaling in excess of 14,600 square feet. The entire project had to be done side by side with the customer continuing normal operation, requiring massive amounts of coordination. Congratulations on a difficult project to Evans Building Company. Moving on to the last category, specialty, Wayside Waves Animal Shelter in Kansas City, Missouri takes home the Award of Merit. This Varco Pruden 2-building project was submitted by A.L. Huber General Contractors. The 11,000 square foot expansion is placed on a sloped site to allow for half the floor area to be built on a mezzanine, opening up space below. The second 9,000 square foot building includes an indoor-outdoor covered play area utilizing metal panel soffit. Congratulations to A.L. Huber.
Hey, to all of our friends at MBCEA, thanks for very honored by this award. We really appreciate it. Can't wait to see everybody on the virtual conference this year and hope we get to see each other in person next year. Thanks.
Brenton Gray is the recipient of the Award of Excellence for Firefly Distillery, manufactured by Metallic Building Company, built in North Charleston, South Carolina. It consists of 12 separate structures combined into a single 25,400 square foot structure with multiple roof pitches, ranging from 1 in 12 to 8 in 12, and incorporates 56 wall openings. Aesthetically pleasing, it utilizes natural rustic overhangs with exposed structural members and matte black insulation facings. Congratulations to Brenton Gray. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. The 2021 Building of the Year winner is the Firehouse Shelter new facility in Birmingham, Alabama, built by Dunn Building Company. One of the biggest challenges on this project was the amount of construction space on site. The building line touched the property line on 3 sides, allowing very little space for material laydown and maneuvering equipment. The judges had this to say about the 28,000 square foot Varco Pruden building, and I quote, "The overall attitude and relaxed formality addresses the human scale. Often, in judging the yearly submittals, the large-scale buildings seem to win out because they are so complex. This complexity is often resolved by the very nature of the componentry of a well-designed pre-engineered metal building. In this case, however, the small building mentality, as offered by the Firehouse Shelter submittal, benefits by the extra oomph provided by the architect and contractor effort beyond the metal building efficiencies. The building feels very approachable, and while it may appear a bit Spartan, it does not feel at all cold. It has a pleasant streetscape as well as an understated interior courtyard. The nuanced imagery of the vaulted gathering space is not without notice, and very much in keeping with the ministerial outreach message. I think the building is super successful at every turn." Unquote. Our congratulations to Dunn Building Company for the 2021 MBCEA Building of the Year. Finally, I'd like to take a moment to personally congratulate the 2020 Building of the Year winners, as I had hoped to do face-to-face in Nashville. We're happy to have presented their awards to them and look forward to shaking hands at our face-to-face conference in Tucson, Arizona in April next year. Thank you to all our members who submitted projects, and especially to our judges for your expert opinion in scoring all entries.